Okay, good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive your buy data from Avantage Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here? Are you healthy or do you have any health issues?
I'm healthy, ma'am.
Okay, our interview this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Why you wanted to come and work here in Malaysia?
For my kids, ma'am.
For your kids. Can you help me introduce yourself, please?
I am Claudine Samson. I'm 31 years old. I have three children, the age of 12, 10, and 6 years old.
Do you have passport?
Yes, ma'am.
When is your birthday?
August 16, 1993.
What is your height and your weight?
5'1", and my weight is 60 kilograms.
What is your religion?
Roman Catholic.
What is your educational background?
High school graduate.
Okay, you mentioned that you got three children. You are married or single?
Married, ma'am.
Married. Who will going to take care of your children once you come to
My
work here in Malaysia?
my mother and my sister, ma'am.
Okay, what about your husband? How old is he and what is his occupation?
My husband and I were separated, and his work is fisherman.
So now you have boyfriend or what?
Man.
None. Are you sure none? Okay, how many brother and sister do you have?
I have four brother and two sister.
What is your rank in your family?
Fourth,
You are the fourth. Okay, what about your parents? What is their occupation and how old is your parents?
my mother is 62 years old, and she has work. She has no work, and my father is 60 years old. He is a PWD.
Okay, so in your by data, it was stated that you have a working experience with about 2022 to 2024. In which place in the Philippines?
Pampanga, ma'am.
Can you share it with me? What are your primary duties to your previous employer in Pampanga?
I'm cooking, ma'am. I'm cooking, watering plant, ironing. That's then taking care of two child.
Did you do house chores and laundry?
Yes, ma'am.
How old are those children that you take care?
7 year old and 13 year old.
7 and
13.
7 and 13 years old. Okay, domestic helper. You know that it is very tough, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You need to embrace yourself because homesickness will frequently attack you. So how will you gonna handle your homesickness later?
I'm going to focus on my goal, ma'am, because doing this job, this is for my kids.
Yeah, so you need to be flexible, you need to be multitasking. Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you okay to take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you okay to take care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, a little bit, ma'am.
A little bit, but are you willing to learn some new recipes or new cuisines?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
No,
So yes or no, can you take care of pets or no?
no, ma'am.
No. You will going to sign a 2 years contract, okay? Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Breaching of contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer, and at the same time with the agency, as nobody force you to come into work here in Malaysia. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Usage of mobile handphone, you are not allowed to use your phone during working time, but instead you can hold your phone during nighttime only. And you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay inside the employer's house only. If you will work on your rest day, of course, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with this?
Yes, ma'am.
As much, I just wanted to be clear and clarify in our initial interview, because we don't want later that once you come to work here in Malaysia, you will give us headache and you will going to demand us about all these things. So there is no such a thing. You no need to ask permission also to your employer that, ma'am, I wanted to go out on my rest day. No such a thing, because in our initial interview in the first place, you already agree about it. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So it's either you agree or you disagree. If you agree to come here with our terms and conditions, then it's okay. We don't have problem. But if you disagree, it's okay also. We don't force people to come here.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so always remind yourself that you come here to work for your children. You're a single parent. Yeah? And then you need to work hard. You need to work properly. You need to sustain your family's needs, because you are now working for your children. You don't have someone to rely on. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, in Philippines, you can do whatever you want, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to follow the rules and regulations of our employer, of your employer. Any problems or any concerns, inform your employer. You need to respect also your employer. Always say good morning, good afternoon, and you need to respect the culture also, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what will you do if your employer is angry with you but you didn't do anything wrong? What will you do?
I keep going my best and give my best um, to finish my contract.
Yeah, so because you were going to sign a 2 years contract, as I have mentioned many times, it's not 2 days. It's not 2 days only, okay? It's not 1 year also. So anything, as I have mentioned, we need to respect the employer, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so Claudine, I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp, because Global Ace agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much and have a good day.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.